SBA Publications.
Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at your homes. This is your mentor Vedika, and today we are going to start our second chapter, which is collective nouns. So, in the last chapter we read about nouns, and now we will move further to our next topic, that is a kind of nouns, collective nouns. तो कलेक्टिव नाउन्स होते क्या हैं? वो नाउन्स जो किसी ग्रुप के बारे में हमें बताते हैं, किसी ग्रुप को हम कोई नाम देते हैं, वही हम नाउन्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोल्जर्स के ग्रुप को हम आर्मी कहते हैं, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. लास्ट समर रेखा विजिटेड अ टेम्पल इन कर्नाटका with her father. Here is a page of her diary. Read the page. So, last summer रेखा अपने फादर के साथ कर्नाटका घूमने गई थी and she wrote a diary about it. Let's read her diary. Dear diary, when I reached the temple, I saw a crowd of devotees. They were very happy and my father showed me a troop of monkeys. So, here are some words that are highlighted and we will know about them after we read this diary. My father and I held a bunch of ripe bananas. I gave a few to them. I saw a herd of elephants there. When we were coming back, we also saw a flock of birds. The temple was surrounded by a cluster of trees. I really enjoyed a lot there. I hope I'll visit it again. Rekha. So here I have underlined these words. Let's see what these words are. First is crowd of devotees. So अगर कोई लोगों का ग्रुप होता है, when there is a group of people, we call it a crowd. Troop of monkeys. Monkeys के ग्रुप को, बहुत सारे monkeys जब साथ में होते हैं तो हम उनको काउंट नहीं करेंगे 1 monkey 2 monkey, हम उनको एक ग्रुप बताएंगे ना, तो a troop of monkeys. Next is a bunch of ripe bananas. Bananas थे बहुत सारी, एक bunch में थे, so it was a bunch, ग्रुप में थे. I gave a few to them. Then she saw a herd of elephants. Again a group of what? Elephants. Elephants के ग्रुप को यहाँ पर herd बोला गया है. Then a flock of birds. Birds के ग्रुप को यहाँ पे flock बोला गया है. And just like this, cluster of trees. Trees के ग्रुप को यहाँ पर cluster बोला गया है. So let's read the definition now. Collective nouns tell us about the collection or group of things, animals, people, etc. Collective nouns हमको किसी भी चीज के, लोगों के या एनिमल्स के ग्रुप को डिफाइन करती है. ओके, कलेक्टिव नाउन्स क्या होती हैं? जो किसी भी थिंग, एनिमल या पीपल के ग्रुप को डिफाइन करे. So, in the above diary, many words have been used to show the group of collection that we already talked about, like crowd, troop, herd, bunch, flock and cluster. These are the words that show different kinds of groups respectively. Okay? Now, let's see some examples. A group of flowers is called a bouquet of flowers. Okay? This is a single flower and this is a group of flower which we call a bouquet. Next, here is a fish, a single fish. But a group of fish we will call a school or a shoal. Okay? This is a single key. But when we have so many keys, we will call it a bunch of keys. Okay? Next, here is a dog. And when there are many dogs, we will call it a pack of dogs. Okay? A pack of dogs. Now, next. Few groups are given for you. So, you have to learn these groups. A pride of lions. Lions के ग्रुप को हम pride कहते हैं. Pride. Okay? A string of ponies. Ponies के ग्रुप को हम string कहते हैं. A herd herd of cattle. Cattle के ग्रुप को हम herd कहते हैं. Okay? A bevy of girls. एक girls के ग्रुप को हम bevy कहते हैं. A clutter of spiders. When you see so many spiders gather around, you will say here is a clutter of spiders. A suite of furniture. Furnitures के ग्रुप को हम suite कहते हैं. A fleet of ships. Ships के ग्रुप को हम fleet कहेंगे. Now books का तो हम सबको पता है. A set of books. Now when there is a group of so many thieves, we will call it a gang. Gang. And for soldiers we use army, which I gave you for the example in the above explanation. Of pupils, a group of pupils we call a class. हम students हैं, हमारा group क्या होगा? Class, right? A choir of singers. And finally a swarm of either flies, bees or butterflies. मक्खियों के, you know, flies, bees के और butterflies के group को हम swarm कहते हैं. Alright? So, after you learn these, you have to do the given exercise, which is you have to match these words with their groups. इनके groups को हम जिस नाम से कह के बुलाते हैं, इनके जो collective nouns होते हैं, आपको इन words को उनसे match करना है. Alright? So I hope you will be able to do it after you learn the above given examples. Next you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate collective nouns. One has already been done for you, which is an army of soldiers. Others you have to do on your own. Okay? So that's it for today's lesson. I hope the chapter was very easy and very interesting for you, and you will be able to do the exercise on the given explanation. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.